Kasamla ria suting kabade ka nongchop ikamis PNI India aja arposan kal ai khuble ki pat ba ka jala kibala kershan ya ka naduk kasngi ka bastang hadu bana poi shakathong jong ka jingjom yakani ka jingi kop mis PNI lasdang naduk ka khat nyau terek bat pankut pat haka atpoi terek jong mantau banai hakaba kumba atpo ngot kinong shimmanta na kiwe ki jala kilawan bane shimmanta hakani ka jingi kop mis PNI India Kasamla ria suting habaka ai jingkran menta kasngi thok diang hasilong press club Kalaong ban nabaro ki jala ka than shati lam mingi ban aka jala Meghalaya di tang maka ka balay shimbenta hakani ka jingi kom Miss P and I Dagani ka jingjop ka jongka ka samla ria suting kala kentui ki weiru ki samla bade na ka than shati lam mingi bat kham tam e na ka jala Meghalaya bakidi ban long ki bashlor ban shimbenta hakum kini ki benta wat lada ka long ka ba e bat juan Bat kalau ongru baka kwa ban yo iya shibun ngot kinong shimbenta hakum kini ki ransan Haba paipat shigajingran jong kunyi jukani ka samla ula ong baka yeng kasem kadap da ka jings ngokumen ie baka samla ria suting kalawan rak buram me ka yeng kasem bat ika jela hi barok kowe ula ong ru bawat la na kalyang juga yeng kasem kam chumla la bani don ringkat ha kasngi baka samla ria suting kalalet bani shimbenta ikani ka rensan Hynrei kila ai ka Jingkyrshan met bat mansia me kani ka samla hadu baka napoi shikathong jong ka jingjom Shushu ulaong balada day kanukunu ka jat kam ka Jingkyrshan na kalyang juga yeng kasem ka don kam tam wat laki don shibun ki Nongkyrshan Hynrei Khlem ka Jingkyrshan na ki yeng kasem ka Jingkyrshan tom jongki ka long Lehnohei
Play if we borrow. They can cover the English so that we can target the entire Northeast because first of all, good evening everyone and thank you so much for your love and support since day one. It's a complete honor for me to be representing my state at the national platform and what is even more wonderful is we got to win the main title that is the Miss PNI 2025. So the entire Northeast and the Meghalaya kitang mga contestant bani siya. The young Kiwi contestant na Kiwi state in India bani contest. So it was a 9 days of pageant organized by Malik Isani and we got to compete and it was a very professional training. Niladan kini professionals bagi lawan naki communication field, naki ethics field, Isabella Menon Grand Miss International 2022 ilawan training nima. And then we had a thorough competition from prelims to introduction round and then the finale Pisia layo ihi hapo YouTube Nongkyrshan daga support jo Pisia nalasmu uma and then finally nalayo lumagaya jinjo yaka kurso ting jomi yaka family jama and then yaka state jomi then ako ban I could be baro pahili Nongkyrshan dengan ados gini ko and I wish you support me more in days to come. So Pinyaparkhatpari Kanika Miss PNI Kalam, like it's not conventional. You might have seen some contestants that they don't look conventional. When I say conventional, that means they don't look of a certain height and a certain figure. The main reason why it gives me courage to participate in Miss PNI is because it is an inclusive platform. When I say inclusive, it means it celebrates women in every shape, form, and diversity. So I'm proudly saying that my co-contestant, there was a transgender who was a co-contestant, there was a married woman who was a co-contestant, plus size, short height. Otherwise, a girl of my age who is just 5'2" and 31, I would hardly have any platform to go and compete. And this PMI India, they did not see any background where I come from. They just purely celebrated me as who I am. And then I was announced the winner of the merit list. So a big thank you to everyone who have been a part of my journey, my friend here, my family, and everyone who have been a part of this journey. My special thank you to my collaborators, Kombiani, for this beautiful attire, Kong Mary, from MJ Boutique, Nanta Kishubon Kiki designers Makila collaborate Pagnama, Christina Monica from Bangalore, and also Hui from HM Fashion. So thank you so much for all the love and support. My heart is filled with gratitude. And I hope in days to come we see more participants from Meghalaya and also from Northeast. May we see more winners coming forward and winning the main crown and the main sash and bringing pride to our state and to our people. Thank you. all over India. Kidan contestant na Jammu Kashmir, Kidan contestant na Mumbai, Kidan contestant na Bangalore, Kerala, Northeast, Meghalaya. Yeah. So we were all over 20 contestants. So most of you must be thinking, what's next? No, Babi Raja Unta Miss PNI India 2025. What's next? So at this point in time, I just want to celebrate the win. And apart from that, I am in a mission to to spread the awareness that beauty pageant is not only about the conventional setup, that you look in a certain way, you have a certain height, that you come from a certain background. No. You need to be beautiful from inside and you need to carry one cause, one advocacy that you stand for, a small change that can really add value to the society. Like my advocacy is to encourage compassion and kindness towards voiceless animals. So I am in a mission with this crown and this responsibility. I want to bring change. I want to spread awareness and let the public decide what they want to do. I am not here to say you turn vegan, you be vegetarian. No, that's not my goal. My goal is here to spread awareness and let you as an individual, as an independent, educated individual, decide what you want to do. And for girls and women, powerful women watching me, whoever will be watching me, please dare to dream. Your dream is only your responsibility. It's okay if you're 5 feet, it's okay if you're just 4 feet, it's okay if you look in a certain way. PNI India 2025 and PNI India in general is here to celebrate you and it is here to just embrace you the way you are, just like the way it did to me. Malik Isani, you have brought in a huge change in the pageantry world and a huge thank you to you from Meghalaya and the entire Northeast. Kuble, Kuble, Kuble Shivon. And I can't wait to see more participation in years and days to come. May a lot of Northeast girls, may a lot of Shillong girls win and come back home with the main crown and make the state and the entire region proud. Thank you so much, everyone. I am really, really grateful to you for all your love, support, and prayers. Of course, my hard work was there, but your prayers is something that added sparkle to my dreams. So this crown, this victory is all of y'all. So I'm so happy to see my family members, my brothers, my landlords, Kublishi, Bonifigura, and Ini Iparlojana. She has lived my dreams, and when I saw Babisa Layu Iparba Kila announce winner mo on YouTube, Born Kibashula, Koryana Layang, she's one of them, my family, everyone. They nasumo kumbanga de kama job tanga burway, kajin job de jamu job pisya. And to be the only one standing short in height but high in spirit was a difficult task, to be honest. But I'm glad the organizers and the judges they just saw what is there inside me. So more than the external beauty, I think the internal beauty shined really bright for me that day, and hence sitting in front of you is Riya Sutin, your grand, your Miss PNI India 2025. Thank you so much.
Tena kalian junga ngari tu bias dahar suti ngari madu jeng iria. Tena kalian junga ru kum kiye kesan ngapun pau kujing kublai yegi media kibana du masdang no suawi le Indonesia benta kila pan pin pau yegi sabah no kin publicity bagi om bagi priu kin itu. Dei hadu katu kesengi ru bagi ijab ru kin sange. Kani kejing ya rak kejing kersian jungki na lenda kapenlong tu yang diberi benani nak Shillong dan East mengintip syafang juga mengintip syafang kini ke competition kembali lah depatai bahkan ni competition ke hampir lagi berlipat Hynrei ni mai kali ke competition kalau bagi pediang lut ya baru ki long kemi ki samla ki bawan hakadur ke batu mundur ki pediang lut ki hampir lagi bagi kontes ke competition ke bagi jualan Indonesia tentang tinggi ru puna kalian kaji yang kesem ni ai kata kajing Jingkyrshan met ban mensiam ni ho ngimla banja lidang sidu setai namang gidon ikam Hynrei wala karu hagi jing duai niken mau yi akap nagapor sekapor ni yatek ni yapun kumno mentang seni bilong kumno ni Jingkyrshan kata karukom bat kajing don bentalang kum kaji kesem kana amin sim susu Te gawai ke bang aku abang dong hal support ke ba la ka dai kan tu ka kamru ke family support ni ke dai ke bang kamta. Oh tang ida bang don ki fan sibul Hynrei Lada ha family ngimyo ka jin support. Mo ni kata ka jin tristam jung iru kalong dai ba dai. Kamtam pung iriya ke dai kun suat indon su ime ipan. Te idon kam ini kung ki mama ki nana ki para arkemi ki men ki para ki bang support dan ini. Te kata kan ba don kam tam nak bentang anu dulu ke pun nak ada kanu nu kalian tu family support dari bodang kam tam tengah ada jing kubelai itu di media apa kubelai po ini bertunjuk iki bahi yang bahasan ki parlok jing iria bat katu gat ni ki parlok dengar biar dalam ni mo ki bayar support lang tentang jing tengah ada jing kubelai yo pilai pelai support bokondor jing bi bahinya po ilang ada support nak tentang ni jing lek burong ba ni kum ka yeng kesem la pen kre ka tentang jing Malaysia.